Hey, what's up YouTube? This is J-Mans J-Tech back with another video, and today I went to my local Target and found something kind of special. We have for you the new Xbox Series X controller in this nice new blue here. So let's open it up and get into it. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and get it out of the box. See what we got here. Ooh, that looks even better in person. If you didn't know, blue is my favorite color, and this looks really sleek. I've heard people complain about the plastic that they use, but I don't really have a problem with it. Feels really good. Got a spot there for your batteries. And inside, we just have our AA batteries, and that's pretty much it. Just some stuff. Okay guys, so if you didn't know, something really nice that Microsoft is doing, they're actually allowing you to use these new Xbox Series X controllers on previous models. So if you have an Xbox One, you have an Xbox Series S, or Xbox One X, which is what I have, I can use this for now on my console until I'm able to get my hands on the new Xbox Series X. So for now, I get a small taste of the new generation controller, which, comparing it to last gen, I mean, they're pretty similar. Stop it. I've always liked the design of the new Xbox One controllers, especially over the 360 controllers. I mean, just going from this, and then I got my Gears of War Edition controller here. Feels great. Pretty much the D-pad is a little bit different. If you didn't see that, I mean, you got a traditional D-pad here, and then you got a little bit of a newer button, a newer D-pad. And then we also have our sharing button here, which is something new that wasn't on the previous models. So overall, it's almost identical, excluding the D-pad and the share button. I mean, if it's not broke, don't fix it. Alright, so getting in a little bit closer here, you can see we have textured grips up here, so that feels really comfortable and good, especially if you're playing shooters. You got texture padding here on the back, very comfortable, stays in the hand really well. And back here we have our spot for, of course, our batteries. You can put in AA's, or you can buy your own third-party rechargeable batteries, which is what I've been using. I just recharge these through my Xbox console, and let's see if they work on the new controller. I don't see why they wouldn't. Yep, fits right in. Now I have rechargeable batteries that I can just swap in and out, which I like. I know a lot of people are complaining that Xbox doesn't have a built-in battery, but I prefer having the option to swap out AA's or put in my own third-party rechargeable batteries. So overall, there's not much else to say. Of course, this does have Bluetooth built in, so you can pair it to your iPad or your Apple TV and game on a tablet, if that's how you want to use this, just like the previous controllers. I'm very excited to test it out and play some Call of Duty with it and some Halo and other games. I'm glad that Xbox stuck to their guns and kept the design very similar to the last series, just because, like I said before, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. It's a very comfortable controller, and I'm happy I was able to get my hands on one. Alrighty guys, so that about does it for this video. Let me know in the comments, were you able to pre-order an Xbox One X? Xbox, you gotta figure out the naming of your consoles. Let me know in the comments if you were able to pre-order an Xbox Series X or Series S, if you got it on launch day. Did you have trouble with delivery? Did your order get canceled and postponed? Something like that. Let me know in the comments your story with the Xbox Series X console launch. I was hoping to get one on launch day. Unfortunately, when pre-orders went up, every website was buggy due to scalpers and probably millions of other people trying to pre-order their Xboxes. I'm going to hold out until next year. I want to see what they do with Halo Infinite, if they come out with a special edition Halo Infinite Xbox console. So we'll see what happens with that. And if they do, you know I'm going to be unboxing it either way, if it's regular or Halo related. But anyways, guys, this is J-Mans J-Tech. Happy gaming to everybody. Congratulations if you landed a console on launch day. We'll see you later. Take care.